London traffic, Skyhawk 909er Echoes, downwind for 24. Traffic.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907, entering runway 24 from the north taxiway.
99 Echo is left base for 24 London.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907 on the go, runway 24, right traffic, London Corbin.
Echo base to final 24 London.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907, right crosswind, runway 24, London Corbin. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907, right downwind, runway 24. London Corbin. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907, right base, runway 24, London Corbin. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907, final, runway 24, London Corbin.
London Corbin traffic, Meridian 603, Mike Alpha, 10 miles to the north, inbound for landing runway 24, London Corbin traffic.
London traffic, 9 Echo is downwind for 24 London.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907, clear the runway, maneuvering at the north hangars, London Corbin.
London traffic, 9 Echo final for 24, touching go London.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907 on the ground at the north hangars.